How to buy Yearn Finance crypto on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy the Yearn Finance on Binance app. So first thing we do is we go to Binance app. As you can see, this is the home page, and now you go to down below here, click on this option down below like this and click buy. And now let's search for the coin, or okay, what, and here is it. Now you click on it like this, and then you click buy USDT, and now you choose how much you want to buy. If you want to buy 100, and then you click here. If you are logged into your account, you will find buy on here, but I'm not logging it right now, so I don't have the option, but you will find buy here, and after you click buy, you will, or everything will be done. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.